We bought this stock when it was $15. It was a SPAC. It was called VTIQ. VTIQ ended up being Nikola. Now, Nikola, all of this movement, it's all bullshit. It's not real. This has nothing to do with the valuation of the company. It's just supply and demand and a lack of stock. Okay? Stocks are going to do things that you never thought they could possibly do. This company, in my opinion, is worth under $10. The reason why I believe that is because of the options. Nikola was a SPAC, a single purpose entity something. The way that a SPAC works is like a private equity group might own a SPAC. People invest in that SPAC, it's SPAC, with the hope that that company invests in another company. This VTIQ invested in Nikola, NKLA. This was something I was very aware of, and that's why we shared VTIQ from 15 to 28. I didn't know this was going to happen because this is bullshit. But let me show you what this company's worth. 64. 25 days until expiration. There's premium on these strikes. People are betting that the stock is going to trade under these levels in 25 days. Now, if we go out further, when there's some real time, 220. How do you make money on these? How does the buyer of these options make money? Talk to me. How do I make money on these, guys? I'm asking a question. This is a quiz. How do I make money on these? I want to buy 10 of them. I spend $2,500 and I own 10 of these puts on the 15th strike of this new electronic vehicle maker. How do I make money on this thing? This shows, I'm going to show you how just broken this is. I'm fired up this morning. I don't know why. Nikola. So Nikola, if we buy 15 puts for $2,500, okay? 250. Great fill. Okay. So in 116 days later, if the stock at 15, I lose $2,500. So not only I bought puts and I invested $2,500 on this position, the stock drops from 65 all the way to 15, and I just lost money. It's absurd. Let's say this stock at 10. Stock at 10, I make $2,500. So if the stock went from 65 to 10 in 116 days, I would pretty much double my investment. But I need the company to lose 80% of its present value for that to happen. It's absolutely ridiculous. This stock is a piece of garbage. This thing is going to be under 15 in 116 days, and there's nothing that you can do to capitalize on it because the options are already pricing that in. Okay? Can you sell upside calls? I mean, if you want to try to pick up pennies to risk $1, have fun. Beyond Meat went to 300. So if you're out there thinking that you could sell these, you can't. There's nothing to do. Don't trade this. Stay away from this. If anybody is telling you to trade this, they're not nice people, or they don't know what they're doing.